Working Balse through the blockers, and ang Smart Maynilad ngayon opting to use Nika Guliman as their middle blocker. Well, Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey.
Well, so far itong si Gonzaga with 10 points, Salak and Bunag with 5 each, Dakis with 6, sa kabilang dako, Quezini ang may 10 puntos, Valdez with 8, Soriano and Cotruang, litig 5.
Oh.
Agad-agad.
Silent operator
Walang
pala
practice?
Oo. At kagabi nga lang ginawa ang uniform.
May jet lag? Hindi, sa Bangkok lang.
Oo. Oo. OA na pag-jet lag.
Pero nakakapagod yun, di ba?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Well, De Leon, back to Cotruang. Pasa ni Salak. Gonzaga too near the net. Ayan ang po sinasabi natin lagi, poetic justice. Ibig sabihin, for those who don't know, kung the call did not go your way, kahit maling call, you get the point anyway, somehow.
Yeah, and again, pag ganyan sa volleyball or to any other sport, di ba? Pwede rin sa badminton. You forget that point, move on. The sooner that you move on, the sooner ka makaka-recover.
Oh. In life naman, kailangan move
Yes.
on.
Move on lang.
Di ba, Rina, no?
Oo nga, si Rina parang may gustong sabihin.
All Dakis. 3-all. Dakis to serve. Army.
Oh, nice serve. Gets that point.
Well, come to life si Dakis, no? At nahawa yung team niya.
Yun nga yung mahirap talagang kalaban tong Philippine Army kasi at any given point, pwedeng, let's say, yung momentum is down. Nandyan si Dakis, nandyan si Balse, nandyan si Nene Bautista. Pwedeng may bigla na lang tumaas yung laro.
Yes. And look at their bench. They still have Dalia Cruz, Jack Alarca, Mayeth Carlino.
Pwedeng dalawang teams, ha?
Dalawang teams.
Oo.
You're right.
Bunag going to zone 1. Hindi na bandayan masyado ni Eliza.
Army maintains the lead 5, serving for Jovelyn Gonzaga. On Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Quezini. What was that? What was that? Parang umigot sa kanya. No? So much power in that. 5-all. Pin up Quezini. Gonzaga. Bunag with a tip. De Leon, back row, Quezini. Torres was there. Whoop! Bunag ad-lib. Bautista huli, no?
Oo. Sayang naman yun. Bautista sending it wide. Ang ganda pa naman sana ng pagkakasave niya. Beach volleyball technique, di ba?
Axel's official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League.
Yan kasi may yung mabibilis yung reflexes nila. Yung mga nag-beach volleyball. Bilis
Saka court
mag-react.
sense. Court sense. Well, Ferrer back in for Smart Maynilad. Good reception.
Well, Coach Roger is really mixing it up in this game. Papalit-palit siya ng setter. Kay Ruby at kay Jem Ferrer.
Bunag. 6-all. Gohing. Ferrer to Guliman. Block. Somebody went into the net. Guliman. Bunag serving again. Roses. Ferrer this time back to Cotruang.
Si Cotruang, napansin ko lang, mataas siya mag-drop ball. So far. Hindi ko lang alam kung hindi pa siya masyadong sanay.
Oh, good cover.
And Guliman. Easy dunk.
That's right. Tinapos ni Nika Guliman. Oh, over-receive. Guliman playing well for Smart Maynilad and going to the first technical timeout there ahead. 8-7.